What's up, my beautiful people? Blessed love. Today in Kenny Good Vibes Kitchen, we are doing some fritters, some bacon fritters. Right there, I'm getting the mixture. Yeah, I'm going to get some water to mix that out. But salt and pepper, cornmeal and flour, easy and simple. That is what we're doing today. Yeah, man. So, of course, you want to mix that so that come to a nice mix where you can spoon drop that into your pot. You want it to be flexible, not too tight, so feel free to drip some more water. Yeah, man. I'm also gonna add some bacon, cut up that small, into my flour so we can taste some pieces of turkey bacon. Yeah, man, easy and simple like that. Now what I'm gonna do is make sure I mix all of this to combine everything together, so when you're frying it, the bacon itself don't really get burned. You know what I mean? You want to mix that in properly. And as I say, if it's tight, yeah, man, feel free to add a little bit more water. And guys, please remember to like, share, comment. Of course, we're going to add some cooking oil to a pot and give that some time to get heated. As soon as that is hot enough, we're going to go ahead and spoon drop them. You can use the size spoon you want, but if you want them to be smaller or you want them to be bigger. I like when they're, good size, like medium size. So I'm using a medium spoon. Yeah. But guys, remember, there's many ways to do this. There is a lot of ways to do this. But this is my style, and this is how my grandmother used to do it. You're gonna use a scale, a spoon, whatever you want to use, or a fork to separate them. Don't let them stuck together too much, because you want to be able to turn them individually. You know what I mean? And there you have it. One side is brown enough. And we're doing this on mid-heat. Fire not too high, fire not too low. Because it takes short time to cook, but you also want it to cook on both sides properly. Those are looking wonderful. And after some time, when you feel like it's cooked good enough, two sides brown and look crunchy, I'm gonna go ahead and drop them in a plate on top of a piece of napkin, so you can get rid of some of the excess oil. Please remember to drain off that properly before you put it on the napkin. Yeah, man, but I eat this. So we're going to move on to some fried plantain right now. So I have a one ripe plantain. In Jamaica, we say plantain instead of plantain. You know what I mean? I'm just going to cut them. You can cut them long way if you want to try this. Or you can just cut them this way. Nothing nice like touching it up with a little salt. Yeah, I have my turkey bacon. I want to make sure those turkey bacon are dried the right way. Wash and dry. I like to wash and dry my turkey bacon. Yeah, man, I got the plantain to the pot, after the oil hot enough. And then in less than a minute or about a minute time, you start to turn them, because you don't want them burn too much on one side. Yeah, man, but that is looking phenomenal. Yeah, man, Kenny Good Vibes TV. Please remember to like, share, comment, and feel free to join the family by subscribing. Yeah, man. But as you can see, my plantain get a nice golden color. That is what I'm looking for. Yes, beautiful. Again, napkin style. Make sure you get rid of that excess oil. You don't want too much oil. We're gonna go ahead with the same thing for the bacon. Fry up these bacon real crispy. Not too crispy, but my style. And you can do it your style. Yeah, but that is looking wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. Same thing, man. Napkin help to get rid of the excess oil. But that is it. Now I'm gonna make some coffee with some milk in my Bob Marley cup. Yes, sir. Breakfast ready. Yeah, man, that is looking wonderful. So there you have it, guys. Fried dumpling, plantain, bacon, and some coffee, tea. What more could you want?
For more
Great video
like this, subscribe to
Kenny Good Vibes TV.